Judge, I believe all discovery is in. To the best of my knowledge, we'd ask the court to set this for a preliminary exam.
And Your Honor, I sent two emails yesterday. One of them, I initially thought there was no additional discovery. The agency got back to me and said actually it was under a different case number. So there may be additional video that has not been marked yet. I only just got that video. I don't know if it's for this case or if it was for a different case because I haven't had the opportunity to watch it yet. It's a couple hours long, but there may be more discovery that's still needs to get sent.
If the court can set this out, we're comfortable moving forward with what we have, understanding if there is additional discovery, it'd probably show up within the next week or so.
Hopefully we begin. There's about 4 hours and I do start trial Monday next week.
There's 4 you think there's 4 hours of video?
That's why I saw on the timestamps at evans.com there's numerous videos. I added up quickly before.
All right, I'm gonna adjourn the probable cause. Let's get the discovery and if there's 4 hours of video, then I at least have to look at it. I'm gonna adjourn it out to May 14, 2026, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, I am seeing that I believe my client has a review hearing. Well, if it's later in the morning or 12:30, it'll work. He's got a review on a case that arose from the same date and time in 14B, for which he's on probation. That's at 10 o'clock, so I think we'll be okay.
For this gentleman?
Yes, Mr. Hodge.
Okay, so theoretically, unless you had somebody in custody, you're gonna be in this block, so he shouldn't be
That will
14B that long and be able to get over.
that'll work out perfectly. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you, sir.
Well,
14.
No, Your Honor, Ivan Land of P65879 appeared on behalf of Mr. Christopher Johnson. Please state your full name for the judge.
Christopher Johnson.
Thank you.
Asking for an adjournment. There's a couple of things I need to look into before I really get this case forward. So I'm asking for 2 or 3 weeks.
We have no objection, Your Honor.
May 21st work for you?
I will, Your Honor.
You're in the matter May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates.
Always a pleasure, Your Honor. You and your staff, stay safe. Yep, take care.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case, People versus Enna Gurma.
After Thomas McCagle.
Good afternoon. Judge Christopher Quinn, appearing on behalf of Ms. Burma.
All right. I have before me a plea form. Is that what we're doing today?
That's correct, Judge.
All right. Plea form indicates that defendant will be pleading guilty to a charge of use of a controlled substance, that being cocaine. That's the added count 2, the 1-year offense. Upon their successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. There's a sentence agreement to sentencing under 7411. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
Yes, sir.
That's correct, Judge.
Have her sworn?
Right hand. Solemnly swear affirm the testimony about to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but.
Yes,
Thank you, please.
Edna Gurma.
All right, Ms. Gurma, it's this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of a controlled substance. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court. Do you understand that? All right. You understand also, ma'am, that while I'm taking it, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Garwood in the 15th District Court. You understand that?
I do now.
Right. Okay, you understand that I'd take the plea, but I wouldn't have anything to do with it afterwards. You said before Judge Garwood.
Okay, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
You say we take the plea?
I'd be taking the plea right now,
Okay.
but you'd be sentenced before a different judge in 15.
And what do they sentence me on?
What'd you say?
What
They
is
said a plea agreement, the plea agreement.
they're gonna sentence the plea agreement? Well,
Yes, all right, what's your worry?
I'm trying to understand why I gotta go. Okay, what?
Why you gotta go to another judge? Okay, because I'll just define it this way. The district court judges, we combine certain parts of our docket, which is this is part of, right? But our misdemeanor dockets are based upon what jurisdiction we sit in.
Oh,
Okay, so Judge Garwood sits in the city of Ann Arbor, which is
Where?
where this
Okay.
occurred.
Okay,
So while I'll take the plea, that's where you will go for sentence.
yes, sir.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, God, that was beautifully the way.
Ooh,
No, I don't think I've ever had to explain it. I leave it to Miss German to make me do that. Anyway, all right. So you understand all of that,
yes, sir.
right? Do you still wish to plead guilty?
Am I pleading guilty? Yeah. Yes,
Okay. So to that charge of use of a controlled substance, how do you plead?
guilty.
Now you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Uh-huh.
You understand that? Okay. You signed an advice of rights for me, right? Is that correct? Okay. You have any question regarding any of those rights?
Nope.
All right. On the podium, you'll see a copy of one. Look at paragraph 5. Now, those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that form.
Yeah.
Okay. You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
Me, a yes or no? All right.
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no,
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will? And also because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
yes.
All right. May 2nd, 2024, at the location of 100 South 4th Avenue in City of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. Cocaine in your possession.
Yes.
Had you used it? Did you know what you were using was cocaine? All right. Ma'am, I do have to advise you that if between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentence, if you,
Thank
between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. Understand that? And the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
you. Yes.
Okay. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Judge.
Oh, God.
And have I complied with the court rule?
You can watch that side.
Yes, Judge, you have.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed.
Your Honor,
That's
it's
right.
gonna be a misdemeanor, right?
Yes, it's a misdemeanor.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Okay.
Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing will be
May 26th at 9 a.m.
May 26, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Garwood,
They got that still.
right? Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Taylor Godfrey.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are in the midst of ongoing negotiations. We would ask for a short adjournment. Thank you.
Without objection, probable cause conference will be adjourned May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bond continue. Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
Zaya Greer. Your Honor, Mr. Cook and I have been discussing a resolution for Ms. Greer as well. We are asking,
Nice to.
he's been pretty nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Second.
Yes.
Just check.
Never nothing nice to me.
All right. How much time did you guys need?
Could we get it about 3 weeks? We're trying to get restitution.
Set.
from
Okay.
That, so.
All right. I will adjourn the matter to May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you. Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Ms. Greer.
Court calls case versus Christopher Griggs. Carlos Griggs? Christopher Griggs, I'm sorry. Nope, not here.
I have been in contact with him, so I'm surprised that he is not here.
Never mind. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is sending about a 10,000 cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately.
Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender representing Ms. Hardy, who I believe is participating by Zoom.
Ms. Hardy?
Yes.
Okay, you got her.
Okay.
Okay. State your name, please.
Robin Hardy.
Thank you.
And I received some information from Ms. Hardy that I supplied to Ms. Feltes late yesterday. And so I'm asking for an adjournment so that she'll have an opportunity to do that and hopefully come to a resolution.
Probable cause conference, May 21st, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Rob.
Bond continues.
Thank you, Mr. Allen.
Thank you.
Half of Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris, you are present.
Yes, she's been over.
Name for the record. I'm sorry, what, Your Honor?
How long have you been over there?
How long? I've been
Been sitting over there?
the whole time.
Really? It's quiet as you've ever been. Go ahead.
Just an act. Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment of this matter, just for a couple of weeks for plea negotiation process. Write it down. Your next.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned. Be May 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Court calls case People versus Robert Harris.